Hello you guys, and welcome to another video. Today we're working on a Alfa Romeo Stelvio, the SUV, and in this case it's a 19, but it goes the same up to 2023 I guess. The 12.8 location to program a key, the bypass, you're gonna need to remove the cluster, and it's behind that. So we have programmed already the key. So I just want to show you the connection. So we basically did the job with the mini Xers OBD tool. We were able to read the pin code and to program the new key by putting it on the bottom section of the armrest, right there on the bottom, to program it and to press the unlock. And as far as the cables go, going there was just too much to deassemble, so that went much easier. So this cover is the only thing that I took off and basically pried it to take it off. And then there is a couple cables inside, so you don't want to get confused. There is one that looks like a blue one, but this is the one that you're going to be looking for. It's going to be hiding somewhere inside, but you can just pull it out with your hand. And the way we connected it is basically putting the black on the brown and the red on the green. Black on brown, red on green. Really easy. You just put the pin there, and it was very easy job. So just so you know, if you want the connection bypass cable, this will be much easier than taking out the cluster. Again, just brown and green, putting the black on the brown and the red on the green to do this job. So this is when everything is back. So again, we only took this part. I pried it from here. To get it back, some people show that you need to take this whole thing, but what I just did, I just lifted just a little bit and place this part top first, and then click the bottom of it, and everything goes back very nice. So this is how you're going to finish it up nicely. Thank you guys for watching. We will see you on the next video.